Hey guys, so today I thought that I would sit down and kind of show you an easy holiday glam makeup. I'll give you a couple different options for lips and eyes. So if you guys would like to see my easy holiday makeup, then just keep watching. And if you hear my washing machine in the background, it's 3 floors below me, but sound travels like crazy in this house. So my apologies in advance if you hear the pipes and water running. That's what that is. Okay, so the first thing I did is I just applied a easy base foundation concealer, and I feel like the first thing you need is to kind of give the skin an overall glow, and there's a couple ways to achieve this. If you want to go higher end, the Hourglass Ambient lighting powders are amazing. I particularly like the Luminous Light, which is more of like a beigey tone one. And then if you're a bit fairer than me, I would suggest the Ethereal Light, which is almost like a shimmery white. This is great for the under eye area. Or if you're on a budget, some dupes would be the Milani Prep Set and Glow Illuminating Transparent Powder, also like a beigey tone, or the Wet n Wild Color Icon Bronzer in Reserve Your Cabana, but in no way, shape, or form is this a bronzer. So it just gives your skin like a nice like glow to the skin without being glittery or shimmery. So today I'm just gonna dust on the Hourglass Ambient powder. It just kind of adds like a bit of glow to the skin. So that's the first step I feel like you need for like holiday makeup, to have glowy skin. You can take it a step farther and highlight. I'm going to be using my Juno & Co. Cherry Bomb palette. This one has 2 options. Here you have more of like a champagne-y color, and then over here is like a frosty white. So if you want to go with like that icy white wintry look, you definitely can, but I really like using like a bright champagne shade because it is winter. Most of us are fairer than we normally are, so I feel like going brighter is the way to go. If you want to add a bit more glitz, you can dip into this frosty white shade and kind of tap it onto the cheekbones for an added like glowy effect, almost like a snowy effect. And then I'm going to add a little bit of bronzer and a little bit of blush. And that's it for the face. That's all I'm going to do for the face. I don't want it to be super warm, super bronzy. I just want it to be like natural looking. You want the glowy skin because the highlight is going to be on the eyes and the lips. Moving on to eyes, there's a couple different ways you can get an easy holiday glam makeup look. The first is to do a cat eye, like a large wing liner. And there's a couple different options for this. You can go with the standard black. If you want to go a little bit more colorful, then Wet n Wild has a nice green liquid liner that I think came out in their holiday set. So you could do a green liquid eyeliner. Or if you don't like using liquid products, you can always take a black or green eyeliner pen, draw it on, and clean it up with a wipe if you want to get that like clean, precise line and you just aren't that great at applying it with a pencil. But for today, I think that I'm going to go with a black liquid liner and then perhaps toss on a little glitter on top. Okay, so I go with a really big chunky wing that I will be able to add some glitter on top of if I choose to. I'm just gonna do the same thing on the other side. So next I'm gonna hop off, apply a little mascara, and we'll be back to talk glitter options. Okay, so I went ahead and applied a new mascara. This is the Maybelline The Falsies Lash Lift Mascara. I just like to have my mascara on before I start messing with glitter. Glitter is the last step that I will do on the eyes because once you start messing with it, it tends to fall to the face. So for glitter, we have several different options. You can go in with a pressed glitter, like the ones from the Tati palette. This top row here, they're gorgeous. You can just kind of press and drag and they stay put. You can go with one of these Stila Magnificent Metals glitter shadows. I have like a holographic one and like a black and gold one, which is also really pretty. Pixie makes some pressed glitters, a little bit more of like a gel consistency than the Tati ones. They're a little bit more slippery, but also really good. You have more of like your neutral bronzy gold shades. You have like a nice snowy white one here. They also have a palette with some kind of reds, berries, and purples. So it just depends what you're in the mood for. LA Splash also makes these like glitter liners. They are really, really fun packaging. I've got a red glitter, like a hollow glitter, and like a black hollow glitter. So if you wanted to just kind of draw on a glittery item on top of your black liner, that's an easy way to spice up the look. I'm still deciding what I want to do on the lids. I'm not sure if I want to go full glitter or if I want to do just glitter liner. So why don't we move on to the lips? My favorite lipstick to wear at Christmas time is the Japonesque Kumadori Matte Liquid Lipstick, and this one's in the shade Metallic Red. I love this one. I don't know if it's still available, so I wanted to give you some other options. So this one is a beautiful, beautiful liquid lipstick. If you're looking for something that I believe is still around, this is the Milani Amore Matte Metallic Lip Cream. And this one's more of like a warm red with a little bit of gold sheen to it. This one's in 14, My Soulmate. So that's another good option. If you don't like metallics, NYX and L'Oreal both have really nice liquid lipsticks. This one's the NYX Liquid Suede in the shade Kitten Heels. I've worn this one a bunch. I really like this. And then in the Infallible line, this is the Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick from L'Oreal. This one is 368 Matador. These are also really good red lipstick options. And if you just don't like liquid lipsticks, then Sephora in their Lip Stories line has one called Cabin Fever, which is like a really nice, like deep, almost burgundy red shade. I really like this one too. So I think that I'm gonna pop on my favorite just because it's my favorite and that's what I wanna wear. So I love this liquid lipstick. I think it looks so beautiful, so festive. It's not like a super shiny metallic. It's more of like a subtle, deep metallic, and it's like my favorite to wear. My family hates red lipstick on me, but I think it just looks so pretty, so festive. So I love this lipstick. So now that the lipstick is on, I kind of think that this is enough. So I don't think I want to do glitter all over the lids. Tati Beauty's is beautiful, but I think I'm going to go with this black glitter liner from LA Splash. And like I said, I don't know if this is still available, but you can always take like a glitter liner, like Urban Decay makes them. Ulta has a collection out right now of glitter liners. H&M has a collection of glitter liners. They actually came in like the advent calendar. You can take a loose glitter, put it with a mixing medium and draw it on, and that's basically what you get with this. Okay, so I'm just gonna draw on the glitter liner on top of the regular liner. And that just adds a really fun pop of like rainbow glitter to the liner without being overly noticeable. Like just walking past someone, you think, okay, she just has a cat eye and red lips. But as you get closer, you kind of see the rainbow reflect of the glitter on the liner. So I think it's like an easy, fun way to kind of pop up. I think it's an easy, fun way to kind of pump up your holiday look. So you've got the glowy skin. You can opt for matte, metallic, lip gloss, red anything, and a cat eye. Add glitter, optional. So I feel like it's an easy way to create a holiday look. You don't have to mess with a lot of different shadows. You don't have to mess with a lot of face products, just bold lip, cat eye, add a little glitter if you want, and you're good to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this easy holiday look. Hopefully it inspires your holiday makeup look before the holiday is actually here. If you guys enjoyed this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and as always, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. Oh, and the nails are Impress Halloween nails. They were like a peacock design, and I opted to just use the green and the metallic green on the nails. And I feel like they make perfect Christmas nails. Got them on clearance at Target. So that's what that is.